Welcome back to Beautyistic. Imagine a lipstick that not only delivers a striking color, but also makes your lips feel softer than ever. Today, we're diving into the world of MAC's Retro Matte Lipstick in the iconic shade Ruby Woo. This cult favorite has been making waves for years, but is it truly as perfect as everyone says? Let's take a closer look. The MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in Ruby Woo is an absolute classic. This isn't just any red, it's a bold, universally flattering matte red with a blue undertone that works beautifully for a range of skin tones. The formula promises a soft, cushiony texture while smoothing out lip lines for a flawless finish. But does it deliver on all these claims? Let's break it down. When I first applied Ruby Woo, I was immediately impressed with the rich pigmentation. One swipe gives you that gorgeous, medium to high color payoff that promises long-lasting intensity throughout the day. If you're used to matte lipsticks that feel dry and uncomfortable, you'll be pleasantly surprised here. The formula has a surprisingly soft, cushiony texture that feels smooth without sacrificing that iconic matte finish. Now, if you've tried matte lipsticks before, you know they can sometimes accentuate fine lines and dryness. Not Ruby Woo. I noticed a visible smoothing effect, which really made my lips look plumper and more even, which is a huge plus. This lipstick didn't pull or tug on my lips during application either, something that can be a deal breaker with some matte formulas. It just glided on effortlessly. As for the wear, this lipstick really holds up. I tested it through my typical day, talking, sipping coffee, and even a light lunch, and Ruby Woo stayed in place with minimal touch-ups. However, I did notice a slight fading in the center of my lips after a few hours. But that's typical for most matte formulas, especially if you're eating or drinking. A quick swipe and you're good to go again. What's great about Ruby Woo is its versatility. The shade can be dressed up for a bold evening look or pared down for daytime glam. Whether you're doing a full face or a minimal look, this lipstick will elevate any makeup style. And because of the soft texture, it's more comfortable than most matte lipsticks. No uncomfortable tightness, just a smooth, soft finish. Let's talk about value for money. At 0.1 ounce, this lipstick isn't the biggest tube on the market, but MAC's Retro Matte line has built a reputation for both quality and longevity. You're paying for a high-performance lipstick with long-lasting color and a well-known brand behind it. Given how much use you'll get out of it, whether it's for a special occasion or your everyday go-to, this lipstick justifies the price tag for me. In comparison to other high-end matte lipsticks, Ruby Woo holds its own, especially when it comes to comfort. Many matte formulas can be drying or overly stiff, but this one strikes the perfect balance between matte and smooth. It's definitely one of the more comfortable options in the matte category, but if you're looking for a similar feel with a little less of a splurge, there are a few alternatives out there, like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream or Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. They don't offer the same luxe feel, but they get the job done if you're on a tighter budget. In terms of build quality, MAC is a trusted brand that has stood the test of time. The lipstick's bullet is solid and sleek, easy to apply, and feels like a premium product. The packaging itself is compact and durable, which is a bonus for those of us who keep lipsticks in our bags. In terms of customer service, I've found that MAC is responsive and has a solid reputation when it comes to handling inquiries. I've never had to deal with any major issues, but I know many beauty lovers have had great experiences with their customer support. So, would I recommend Ruby Woo? Absolutely. If you're a fan of matte lipsticks and you're looking for a statement red, this is the one to reach for. It delivers on its promise of smooth application, long-lasting wear, and that signature matte finish without the dryness. It's a classic for a reason. If you've tried Ruby Woo, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How does it work for you? And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.